Hey you guys, I really need to clean up my downstairs because I have a music student coming over in about an hour and it's kind of messy down here. So I thought I'd do a clean with me video and just get her done. Here we go. So here I'm starting in the dining room, just cleaning up things from lunch. I'm sipping my raspberry leaf tea. I am currently 34 weeks pregnant, so I'm just trying anything that will hopefully shorten my labor. So, kind of see how that goes. I also noticed that the cat hadn't been fed, so I went ahead and gave her some more food. And we're just putting things away. One of the things I don't like about cleaning up is just deciding where things go. I'm trying to KonMari and find a place for everything and all that, but it's really hard, especially when new things are coming in. Lately, I've found that my feet get really tired just walking around the house barefoot. So I recently ordered these slippers, and they really help my feet from getting tired. Here they are. They're so awesome. I wanted to go through all my mail, so I cut out some coupons and I put them in the coupon book. And I just went through some of my mail just to get rid of the junk stuff. Another thing I try to stay on top of. Don't always. Putting away more toys. We need to find a new system for taking care of our DVDs because right now my daughter gets into them and it's not a good scene. And cleaning up more toys. This box is full of balls for her and she just loves to dump it out and watch all the balls go everywhere. And this is her little alphabet kit. So you can see I put them all back, but we're still missing the Q. Not really sure where it went. Probably underneath something. And I was always taught to clean from top to bottom, so after I actually put everything away, then I'm going to dust and dust all the surfaces. And so I got the little console behind the couch, and then I get the coffee table. I'll have to push Sheba off the, there you go, Sheba. And then I noticed that the entertainment center was kind of dusty too. And now it's time to sweep, so top to bottom there. I've been thinking about getting a Roomba because I feel like it would save me so much time and it would probably do a better job than I do with just the broom. But they're also like $300. So I haven't bitten the bullet on that one yet, but I'm very, very tempted. Um, we just tend to get really dirty floors really quickly. And I'm sure that has something to do with having a 2-year-old who wants to eat her crackers where she wants to eat them. Um, Finding stuff underneath the coffee table, not uncommon. So I don't know. But it looks a lot better after I vacuumed it. And now I'm just going to fluff some pillows and fold blankets and things like that. I know this room isn't like showroom perfect, but it's a lot cleaner than it was, and it works. So I'm done. Took me right about 45 minutes, so I've got about 15 minutes to maybe put on some makeup and set up the stands and get my instrument tuned before my student shows up, so that's nice. Obviously, I did a lot of cleaning up of toys today. I would like to get my 2.5-year-old to. I would like to create the habit of putting our toys away before we go upstairs for bed, but I am really bad about doing that because we're doing whatever activity we're doing, and then I realize, oh, it's bedtime. So hopefully, now that it's clean down here, um, I can be better about uh, cleaning up toys before she goes upstairs to bed. And sometimes she just doesn't want to help me, and I just end up doing everything. I'm not really sure what to do about that. I say, Alice, it's time to put things in. Let's put things in. And she's like, no, 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 I want to play. Sometimes she gets into it after a while. Anyway, if you have any tips for getting a 2.5-year-old to help you clean up her toys, I would love for you to send them to me. Um, but yeah, if I did not teach music, I don't know if my house would ever be clean. So thanks for watching.